in northern Delaware, south-central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Honeybrook to Rising Sunshine, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Norristown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Coatesville, Westtown, Carneys Point, Allentown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Oxford, Parkersburg, and West Road. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 301 and 331. Northeast extension near mile marker 24. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. May contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery, and Newcastle, Delaware. The